You may be thinking about setting up your own Shopify store and start using Clickfunnels but don't know where to start. This video will show you how to set up your own Shopify store and start using Clickfunnels to increase your sales. Shopify is a platform that allows you to create your own online store. It is easy to use and has a lot of features to help you run your business smoothly. You can choose from a variety of themes or create your own, and there are no transaction fees. You can also use Shopify to sell on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. Clickfunnels is a software that allows you to create sales funnels. A sales funnel is a series of pages that lead a customer to a purchase. You can use Clickfunnels to increase your conversion rate and get more sales. To set up your own Shopify store, you will need to sign up for a Shopify account. You can do this by going to their website and clicking on Create Your Store. Once you have created your account, you will need to choose a theme for your store. There are many free and paid themes available. Once you have chosen a theme, you can start adding products to your store. To do this, click on Products in the left-hand sidebar, and then Add Product. Next, you will need to set up a payment gateway so that you can accept payments. To do this, click on Settings in the left-hand sidebar, and then Payment Providers. Shopify offers a variety of payment gateway options, such as PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net. Finally, you will need to connect your Shopify store to Clickfunnels. To do this, go to the Clickfunnels website and click on Integrations. Then, click on Shopify and follow the instructions. Now that you have your Shopify store set up, and you are using Clickfunnels. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.